Auntie Xia, what you doing?
Oh, hey, Auntie Xia. I do the drawings for the Fresno Fair art competitions.
Ooh.
That's right.
I want to do the same. Can I see?
But I'm not done. Wait the 2 seconds. I need to do the last masterpiece finish on this one. Okay. Okay, I think it's the readiest. Do you like it? I think that's be the best show picture right here.
Yes, that is so pretty. But you know what? It look like it's not a pretty one. It's not done. Something missing, man. I don't know
what the hell
is.
You do to criticize my picture for.
I say something that missing. Okay.
What the hell is missing in this more picture? It's the so perfect birds. It look like the heaven set one.
It looked pretty, but it's still missing something.
I think I know. I saw this one in the Chinese movie. I do the put in here too. Don't do the tell them I steal the ideas. Oh. Don't do the lookings. The artists don't let the people look at them do it.
Oh, my hair.
I think that this one will make it the masterpiece one right here. What one?
Oh
now,
my God!
I think it's the masterpiece one now.
It's the pretty ones.
What should I do the calling of this one?
I think you should call it the
$500 heaven birds.
I like that one too. That one's a good one.
Oh my God. If you guys like this one, please do the voting. Go to www.500heavenbirds and vote for this bird right here. It will mean so much to me because all my life I want to be the artist so bad. So please do the voting for this one. Okay? Thank you.
That's us.
Peace, Mother S.